All right, it's Sunday morning after the Potjie course competition, and we are in Kelowna at Midtown Station and Grill. Midtown Station Kitchen and Drink, where we are going to watch the rugby. South Africa playing Scotland, so check it out. I must say Kelowna is actually quite a big town. Anyway, so this is Midtown Kitchen and Drink. And Belinda is decked out in her Springbok gear, so we're all ready for this. I must say I like this area, this Vernon, Kelowna. It's all actually quite a nice area. And here we go, Midtown Kitchen and hello. Okay, so we are at the inside watching the rugby. This is the upstairs section. We got a lot of people, supporters. Quite a cool little spot. Kitchen and drink. You got the bar, and then everybody else out here. Quite a good turnout for a Sunday morning for a rugby game. Hello, folks. So, yeah, there we go. Plenty of people out here to watch the rugby and kitchen and sink. Quite a nice place. Hi, everybody. There we go. Anyway, a good way to start off a Sunday morning before we head out to back home to Vancouver. They say in Vancouver we are awaiting strong winds and heavy rains. Let me go find my brekkie.